Hello friends, welcome to Magnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is error in manufacturing of gear. So generally, gears are manufactured by two methods, that is reproducing method and second is generating method. So in reproducing method, there is a cutting tool or we can say cutter which form the gear teeth profile. Okay, for making a gear teeth profile, we have a form cutter. Okay, and by that we can reproducing the shape of cutter. And in reproducing method, tooth space is cut independently, right, of the other tooth space. So there are various sources of errors in this reproducing method, that is incorrect profile on cutter. Okay, so if cutter having incorrect profile, then it may be chance of error. Then second is incorrect positioning. So first one is incorrect profile, second one is incorrect positioning of cutter with respect to workpiece, and third one is incorrect indexing, right? You know the indexing, right? So incorrect indexing of gear blank. So these are the sources for reproducing method. Okay, source of error. Now for generating method. So in generating method, there is a gear hob or we can say cutting tool which form the profile of several teeth. Here it is independently and here it is several teeth, okay, simultaneously during the constant relative motion of the tool and gear blank. There are also various source of error during the generating method, that is error in manufacturing of cutting tool like gear hob, then error in positioning of the cutter and workpiece, and third one is error in relative motion. So relative motion, positioning and manufacturing of cutting tool. So these are the three source of error for generating method. Now types of error. So there are various types of error in spur, helical, bevel and worm gear. So that is profile error. Now everyone know the tooth profile, right? So if there is a difference between design profile and the profile we get, that is called the profile error. Okay, it is a maximum distance of any point on the tooth profile from form and normal to the design profile when they coincide at the reference circle. Second is cyclic error. When the gear rotate for one revolution, so each revolution, the error occurring during the each revolution of element under the consideration. Then third one is periodic error. So it is an error which occur at the regular interval. So if particular error comes with the regular interval, it is called the periodic error. It is not necessary, but that the interval in one revolution of the component. So it is not necessary that in one revolution it should be there, right? Then next is run out. Okay, so run out, it's a total range of reading of fixed indicator. So it's a total range of reading of fixed indicator with the contact point applied to the rotating surface without axial movement. So if we want more idea about run out, then we have two types of run out, that is called the radial run out and axial run out. Okay, so radial run out, it's a run out measured along the perpendicular to the axis. So this is the axis and radial run out will be the perpendicular to the axis of rotation, and axial run out, that is measured parallel to the axis of rotation. It is parallel to the axis of rotation. Okay, so this is about radial run out and axial run out. Okay, now tooth alignment error. So everyone here heard this word alignment, right? Tooth alignment error. So if the tooth should be, whenever it rotate, it pass through the selected reference. If it is not passed through the selected reference, it is called the tooth alignment error. Now undilution. So it is a periodic departure of actual tooth surface from the design surface. Okay, it's a periodic departure of actual tooth surface from the design surface. Now eccentricity. So eccentricity and concentricity. Okay, it's half of the radial runout. This is a radial runout. Okay, so it is the half of the radial runout in magnitude. It represents the difference between axis of rotation. Suppose this is a center of this rotation over here, then this is the eccentric, right? So difference between the axis of rotation and geometric axis of the gear, it is called the eccentricity. Last one is the backlash. Now backlash is the play between matching tooth surface. If two gears are met with each other and there is a play between the matching tooth, it is called the backlash. So it is caused by the error in gear profile, pitch thickness of the teeth, etc. Right? So these are the errors in manufacturing of gear, types of error. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.